Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're just gonna do a little fun thing today. It's gonna get a little bit loud up here, but it involves smoke spray and it involves my collection, of course, except this one because this one doesn't have batteries in it. So I'm going to be just a little fun thing. I'm gonna be spraying my whole collection and I'm gonna see which smoke alarm activates first. So it's gonna get a little bit loud, but we're gonna do it anyways. So I got my smoke spray, and I'm gonna spray all of them and see which one activates first. So all these alarms might be going off, so it's gonna get a little bit loud, okay, guys? So we're gonna put my camera down so you guys can see what I'm doing. All right, here we go. I'm going to be spraying my whole collection in 3, 2, 1. It's going to get a little bit loud. Guys, it looks like the Kitty R9010 didn't go off. Okay, it looks like my collection has silenced. So, okay guys, it looks like the only alarm that didn't go off was the Kitty i9010, so that's interesting, don't you think? And I think I know why. It's because it's ionization. Pretty bad ionization, even though some of these are ionization. So yeah, that was a little bit loud there, but at least I have hearing protection on, so at least I didn't get my ears blown off. So yeah. Okay guys, that's gonna pretty much do it with this video. Make sure you subscribe and like this video. Goodbye.